Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enter safe mode in Windows 10 via recovery settings. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Seek Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F4 key to enable safe mode or press F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.